I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift.
Using to make chicken pepper soup with it. And for some reason, this chicken got some hair in it. I don't like to cook my chicken seeing any hair or any kind of meat. I don't like to see any kind of hair hanging there. So I'm just going to be using my gas to burn it off a bit. Whew, it's hot. Let me see if you guys can see here. Okay. Alright guys, for my chicken pepper soup, I have, you guys already know, Njangsi is here, hot peppers here, we have Maggi, and then we have some salt, ginger blend and garlic. This is blended ginger and garlic I'll be adding in my chicken. Then we also have green spices. This is green spices. All of this we're going to be putting into our pepper soup. And in this pot, sorry guys, in this pot I already have some, I don't know if you guys can see, in this pot I have some meat stock. A lot of you have been asking me, where do you get this Njangsi from, guys? This came all the way from back home, you know, all the way from back home. Okay, this is hot chili and Njangsi. I just blended. Okay, I'm going to be adding, this chicken is already inside this pot, guys, with some meat, assorted meat stock I had leftover. So I'm adding this green spices in here. Inside. You guys know how we make our pepper soup here. And then here we have ginger and garlic blend added inside. Okay, guys, this is the chicken pepper soup. Everything is set inside. Now I'm going to close it and let it cook. You know, I've put every ingredient that's needed. Everything is inside now. So now it's time to cook it. See you guys when it's ready.